This is why tap water is dangerous. Like, people are asking me all the time, is tap water dangerous? Really? Because it meets the federal government guidelines. Well, the government guidelines was established in 1972 and expanded again in 1984. That's it. It's 2000, I don't know, 24? That's been a long time ago, decades ago, that they actually updated the site. And by the way, we learned so much more about the human body. If you just go to the ewg.org website, you can enter your zip code and you can find out what's actually in your water. Doesn't it make sense to find out what's in your water? I mean, what we know is using the Freedom of Information Act, EWG, which is non-for-profit, actually studied everyone's water supply. And guess what? Literally every water supply has a toxin in it. The minimum toxin is trihalomethylenes. What does trihalomethylenes do? According to the National Library of Medicine, causes cancer and reproductive issues. So that is why you should consider getting a filter system. Check out our link below. Drink good, clean water. I'm Drew, here to serve you.